This is what my favourite son takes for lunch to school. A wrap, and it's got tahini, chickpeas, sesame, sunflower, pumpkin seeds, spinach. It's got some sunflower sprouts, bit of barbecue sauce, avocado, and apple, those fava beans. And then there's a mixture of brown rice, chickpeas, seeds, and tomatoes. Everything is organic because obviously he's been raised organic. And he really enjoys his lunches. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, click like and subscribe to Vegan Nutches. Thank you and have a really good day.